Hi guys, and welcome to today's vlog. Today we're going to talk about some banana oat cookies that I like to make for the kids with no flour and no sugar, and they're okay for my 11-year-old and for my 3-and-a-half-old daughter. We're also going to talk about Christmas presents because it was Black Friday. We could take advantage of some offers and get some of the toys that we would want to buy for the children for Christmas, but we still have some more planning to do for Christmas, some more presents to get in accordance to what the children wanted. To begin with, I'm going to show you what we did order. So my daughter loves this kind of games. They're like Lego, but they're with gears, and they're very nice. So these are 2 sets that we ordered for her. Yes, because right after Christmas it's her name day. We wanted to buy one for Christmas and one for her name day. And also we ordered for my son because my daughter already has a slide set with her cars. My son has some of the cars that match that slide set, but we also wanted to order another one that both of them could play with. And because they're part of a puzzle, they can be matched together. So her set with his set. So I ordered this one for him, which I thought was really cool because it has 2 slides, which means 2 cars can go on them at the same time. And for my son, we ordered, although he has sorting games, we ordered this one. It's a car, but it also comes with a string in front, so it can be pulled. So he started walking, so he really likes this kinds of toys. Right now he pulls and pushes toys around, so I thought that could be useful. And because I wanted to support my daughter's passion for playing music and listening to music, I thought I would give her a keyboard. So maybe if she's passionate enough, she might actually learn to play the piano. And I bought for my son a drum, but this is a type of drum that has a wooden part on top and makes sounds like a real drum, so not like the toy ones that actually play the music by themselves. This one, he would have to hit it as many times as he wants to make the music. So I thought this was very useful. I researched quite a lot for the drums. It's just he doesn't know how to play a drum with a stick yet, so I thought it's useful to get one of those that are still hit with the hands. In regards to coloring books, my daughter loves Paw Patrol, so we bought her a coloring book. It's quite big, so I thought she'd have quite a lot to color. And in regards to books, I'm still going for the Osborne books, which I would recommend to anyone because my daughter still loves them and she's 3.5 years. My son is discovering them right now, so that's not my angel. I loved this one, but it's the proper time now to teach my son about animals and about sounds because he's 11 months old. He's understanding things a lot better, so we bought the sound books for him so he could listen to sounds of animals. This is woodland sounds, and we've got garden sounds as well. And jungle sounds. So there are many pages with animals and a little bit of a story about them, but mostly they're sounds for all the animals. And night sounds. My daughter's gonna love this one because it has owls. And farm sounds. I mean, it's very important. Okay, and we also have That's Not My Frog and That's Not My Snowman. I think they're lovely. And my daughter loves all the Peppa Pig stories, so we bought some, but this one is another one that she loved, which I ordered as well. Peppa's Muddy Festival. which is amazing. She loves this story. And for my son, I also bought the Humpty Dumpty story. It's actually the song, but it's so nicely colored, and the pages are so thick, so he can play with it as well while we're reading it. So it's actually very, very nice, and very nice quality as well. In regards to toys, my children also received toys from their godparents, from my son's godparents, because due to lockdown we can't see each other. And I was thinking that there's such a nice touch, nice idea, that they could be useful for other children as well. So I'm gonna go and show them to you as well. So I'm going to start with this one. Everyone knows it as a marble run. I've never actually thought of buying one of these, although they're very common. A lot of people buy them for their children. It's just, I don't know, I thought it was kind of boring. I bought other games that involved slides and so on, but never a marble run. Both my children loved it so much. They played so much with it since they got it. So mainly what you have to do is put the balls up here. They go down, down, down until they go out, right? So they come with balls that actually have rattle sounds, which is very nice for touch for children that are under the age of 2, I'd say. But my daughter loves to play it as well, and she is 3.5 years. Okay. Then we have, then I bought, I opened this one, which is very nice for math. I only brought some of them, so it has number 4, and you have some monkeys. You have to put the correct number of monkeys according to the number, because they weigh the same, they have the same weight. So it's very, very smart, and my daughter has been playing with it. It's actually teaching you exactly how to count things, if you have too many or if you have to take some out, just to know what's the right number that you need to put in here. Because we didn't originally know that they weigh the same. She just put everything here, and then she realized that she had to put the correct number here in order for the scales to be correct. I thought it was very, very clever, so I would say it's very, very nice. Then we have this one. This one is a crawling toy, because my son is just learning to crawl. I think it's very, very nice, and especially for children who are learning to crawl, that's very, very nice. A very good touch. And the last one that we have here is this one. It's a game, a magnet game. So you would have some worms in here, and you have to take them out and feed them to the bird, right? So all the worms will be in here. Yeah, you can take them out, put them in, and then do every individual one. It's also to improve their skills. Their fine motor skills are very, very important, and we are helping them improve that by using this toy. And I think it's a clever toy, actually. So you feed the bird, and my daughter loves it as well. So they're very, very nice. Right. In regards to any other presents that we're thinking of buying, is my daughter actually said that she wants a little sister for Christmas. We did explain to her that she does have a little brother, but she really wants a little sister as well. So we thought of buying dollhouse with a set of family that would include a mommy, daddy, and 2 girls and a boy, just so that she can play with a family like she would like with a little sister. And we did buy a doll, a girl doll for her. We used to have 2 baby dolls, like babies, so you wouldn't tell if it's a girl or boy. She usually chose whether she wanted it to be a boy or a girl, but this time we bought a toddler doll, which of course she can name and put as her baby sister if she wants to. She has a buggy which she can use to push the baby around. Also, we were thinking of buying, because she was asking us to buy her the Teletubbies. We were thinking of buying them for her. She would love Lala, the yellow one. And she asked us for her little brother to buy Poe, because she loves Poe as well. We were thinking of actually buying all four of them. We are just looking to see if we can find and what can we find, because she tends to sleep at night with the dolls that she gets, so she has to have enough space for all of them in her bed as well. And they shouldn't be too little because her brother is gonna play with them as well. They share toys depending on what toys we're talking about. And I was thinking more in the terms of toys that are actually talking, because her brother seems to love it at this age. Matti loves toys that talk to him. He smiles, he laughs, and he talks back to them. So that's what we were thinking, to buy Lala and Poe. I will now attach the video of how to make the oat cookies. I use oat milk. You can use regular milk or no milk at all. I don't use sugar. I don't use flour, because at a certain point we were trying to exclude anything that could give her allergies in her diet. So we found that oat, yeah, the oats that we use for porridge are very, very good for cookies as well. So we just put banana. Sometimes we put pear, sometimes we put apples. You can try other fruit as well, but we make it mostly with banana because my son prefers banana at the moment. And banana, oats, and an egg. Before I used chia seeds. Now we don't use chia seeds because she doesn't have any allergies anymore, so she hasn't exhibited any issues with allergies. So we do use egg, and that gives them protein, gives them vitamin, and everything that you would need for a healthy breakfast. And also I will attach a picture with the result when I take them out of the oven. Okay. So before I end the vlog, I wanted to show you the pot that we were considering. My husband did manage to buy it for the children, which I'm going to wrap up, so I wanted to show. So it does jump. This is for the baby. And for her, she wanted Lala. This is Lullaby Lala. She sings for nighttime. And these lights reflect really nicely on the walls and on the ceiling, which makes a very nice touch for sleeping time. So I want to thank you very, very much for joining me today in our vlog, and I'm going to see you next time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.